Dr. Hassan Ayariga. To make it all quick, since you were busy, but what inspired you to talk on this issue publicly?
First of all, I'm a patriotic citizen. And in my 2020 manifesto and 2024 manifesto, I've made it clear to the Ghanaian citizens that when given the nod, I will make sure that Ghana is being protected, Ghanaians come first, and we shall make sure that everybody in Ghana is given the needed attention, especially Ghanaians. And I do not want any foreigner whatsoever to own property in Ghana, because we are fast losing our lands and our sovereignty to the foreigners. Foreigners have taken over everything in Ghana.
Yeah,
when you come to Ghana, the oil industry has been taken over by the foreigners. The mining sector has been taken over by foreigners.
Yeah. This public
by foreigners. The sector has been taken over by foreigners.
Yeah.
Every economic sector has been taken over by foreigners.
That is sad.
So when I heard that the Igbo king was coming out to actually build a kingdom and calling himself a king, I was very, 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 very angry.
I see.
Because a king is only called a king. One is termed a king in his own country when he is a citizen, he is a tribe man of that country, he owns land, then he can be termed a king.
Yeah, definitely.
There is no king living in another person's country and calling himself a king.
Yeah, definitely.
No person can live in another person's country and be termed a king. So, if you are a king in Nigeria, you cannot be king in Ghana.
Definitely. That is a law in the Chieftaincy Act 2008.
In Ghana, yes, you cannot also be a king in Nigeria. So when you are a king and you are a visiting king in Ghana and you go to Nigeria, definitely they will call you a king because you are just a visiting king.
Yeah.
And you go back.
Yeah, definitely.
But if you decide to stay, you are no more a king. Your kingship only is entitled to you in your own country, not in another man's country.
I see.
So when he called himself a king and said he was going to build a kingdom, I said to myself, wow, this cannot happen. This cannot happen. There is nothing called Igbo or Igbo king in Ghana. He can be only an Igbo chief and not an Igbo king.
All right.
So he stopped parading himself and calling himself an Igbo king. So that inspired me to issue a press release. I issued a press release demanding that the relevant institution investigate into the matter.
Oh, I see. So you even released a press before you went to Metro Good Evening Ghana News.
Yes, I issued a press release that they should arrest him, investigate him, and all people who have given him the land or whatever, they should invite them. That was my press statement I issued to government.
I see.
So government took over I made sure that national security took over the whole matter and dealt with it accordingly.
Oh, okay.
So he was invited to the NIB, the National Investment Bureau and Intelligence Bureau, and there they asked that he should be sent. I requested that he should be sent to the national security. So at the national security, we decided I asked that they detain him and start the investigation process.
I see. That is good. So, Mr. Hassan, thank you for this, summarize answering to the first question. The second question is, were you already aware of all this issue, or you got to know about it after it went viral?
Oh.
So after
I wasn't aware of it. It is only after it went viral that I found out that this is the attitude of the man. So I said, I will not sit down and watch them do the nonsense they are doing. Excuse my language. Because this is Ghana. Nigerians are living in Ghana, but Yorubas are living in Ghana, Hausas are living in Ghana, Zambarmas are living. We are living peaceful, but nobody has ever stood up to say that he is a king of Igbo or Igbo king of any other tribe in Ghana. No one.
I understand.
So why would this man think that he is going to be a king? And as a matter of fact, we are not interested in the issue of Palestinians and Israelis in Ghana.
Yeah, definitely.
We are not ready to have that issue in the future, in the next years to come. And Nigerians and Ghanaians fighting each other over land and over kinship. Because right now, the moment he established a kingdom, the fact of the matter is that he is going to now call himself a Ghanaian Igbo man. Definitely.
In the fourth generation, automatically they are Ghanaians.
Yes. The next generation to come, he has married a Ghanaian woman. What do you think he's going to say? His children are going to say they are kings.
Very soon we see them in the parliament and they will be taking over government.
Yes. Yeah. And they'll be talking not for Ghana, but for Nigeria.
Definitely.
So for us, this must stop.
Definitely. Thank you, Mr. Hassan. Since you are in a hurry, let's jump to the third question to make it all quick. The next question is, after his arrest, we heard that credited to that is Good Evening Ghana. You were saying something like, when it comes to the purchase of the land, you couldn't talk much on that issue because you took his words against him. And the Ghanaian youth want to ask you that, have you been able to do any confirmation on the purchase of the land? Any confirmation on that aspect?
I did. I tried to confirm, but he, according to sources, according to him, he lied. He lied that he had land. He's lied to Ghanaians that he has a land if he does not have one.
Oh, I see. So then it means
whether he has it or not, that is not our concern. Our main concern is that he said it clearly that he had land and he was going to do A, B, C, and D, and we are going to take him by his word.
Oh, I see.
Look, I am not a Nazi. I am not against settlers in my country, but we cannot be override in our own country.
Definitely, I understand.
If the Nigerians, look, if you come to Ghana and you go to the police station to get the records of armed robbery cases, the highest armed robbery cases is Nigerians.
Definitely, I know the ratio 90 to 10.
Kidnapping, Nigerians.
Fraud.
Killing, murder, that's killing and murder, Nigerians. 419, Nigerians. Scams, Nigerians. Why?
Why
we are a very peaceful country, living in our country without all these crimes. Nigerians all over the world are being seen as stigmatization,
definitely,
crime and all sort of things.
Definitely.
Even in Germany, they are there. I have exception to certain Nigerians. There's an exception to some of them.
Yeah, definitely.
90% of them are like that.
Especially the Igbos, the dominants.
Especially the Igbo people.
Yeah.
Even some Nigerians who are Igbos do not like their own people. Because they are destroying their names all over wherever they go. Are you with me?
I'm with you. I'm following.
Like what is happening? Some Igbos are not happy with what is happening. He's been released on bail. He said he had high BP. His blood has gone up and whatever. And I was informed and I said, okay, in that case, they should release him on bail so that he doesn't die in our custody. Nigeria will say that we have killed their king.
But Honorable, have you heard that less than 24 hours after his release, Honorable that is Okujeto Ablakwa, the foreign minister, met him after the police released him? Have you heard it?
I'm told that they issue a statement. That is his problem. The NDC is probably trying to cover their shameful act for not arresting him and prosecuting him. Because I have seen him dine with the president, I have seen him eat with the former president. So they are probably trying to cover their shame for not being able to arrest him.
I see.
Yes, so if Akujato is coming to say that the man said that he did not do that, that is a flimsy excuse. Why will Akujato even defend him?
Because currently Ghanaian youth are saying that even it's not in his department to defend this issue. If the man is really sorry, the man is supposed to come out and say it himself. So why is he defending it?
That is not his power.
To you, in your expertise, what role do you think the incumbent government or the government as a whole is supposed to do about all this situation that is going on?
I think that this gentleman is becoming a problem for us, and I think that one thing must be done. If he jokes with me in this country, he will not have peace.
I see.
He will not have peace. He should not let us tag all Nigerians to it. He should behave. He should behave like a foreigner in another person's country. You are all living in Germany. There are limitations to what you can do in Germany.
Definitely, there are limitations.
It is not everything that you can do in Germany.
Definitely.
There are limitations, and I know that. I have lived in Germany before.
Yeah, definitely.
I know the limitations. So we all must know our rights as citizens and our rights as foreigners. There's citizenship rights and there's foreigners' rights.
Definitely. Mr. Hassan, since
you are a foreigner in Germany, you cannot be the chancellor, the Bundeskanzler.
Definitely not. There are some roles that you can never acquire, even if you have a German passport and you are not a pure German. There are roles, yeah.
Because
white supremacy.
German passport, it is stated the country you come from.
Yeah, they call something the white supremacy and the white benefit. No matter how educated you are as a black man.
If you hold a German passport, your nationality will show, where you were born will show.
Definitely.
In the German passport, it's there, it's stated there. So that you always remember that you are not a German.
Definitely. That is true.
That any day you want to go, you can give them their passport and go back.
Mr. Hassan, you said something. I just want to
have a demonstration tomorrow, Saturday in Ashanti region.
Definitely.
The government is saying that the president is in Ashanti region, and so they should postpone. But I'm trying to see this king or whatever.
Mr. Hassan, you are opening a topic here. Not so long ago, Okujuta Blakwa came in defense of this Igbo king, and automatically the president is also in Ashanti region, and his presence is telling Ghana that because he is in Ashanti region, the demonstration on the 19th is not possible. Is that what you are saying?
That the demonstrations, because he is in Ashanti region, the police are saying that they do not have enough men. And we told them that we don't need men. We don't need police escort for this demonstration. So the president is there. So the boys who went there, the demonstrators who went there called me and told me this is what. I said, you should have called me earlier when you were there, and I would then intervene.
This is sad. I personally, it's not that I'm being politicized here, but every Ghanaian watching me knows that if you're a pure Ghanaian and you listen to what Mr. Hassan is saying, if it is true that since this matter started, the president hasn't said anything about the issue, but he is aware that there is going to be a demonstration in Asante region. If the president is aware that his presence is the reason why this demonstration is not supposed to come on, then it means he is aware of the whole issue. So why is he not talking about it?
He's aware of whatever is happening in this country. So that's what I'm saying. They cannot prosecute this man. They believe they have taken certain things or engaged with the man, and they are running and hiding. But I am not going to allow that to happen. I don't care who the man is, and I don't care who he has a relationship with or who he has dined with or not. What I care is that the supremacy of this country is paramount to me. This country's sovereignty is my first interest. I don't care if all presidents will come and go. Where is President Akufo-Addo? He's gone. Nobody talks about him anymore. Where is President Akufo? He's gone. Nobody remembers him talks about him anymore. Where is President Akamili? He's dead and gone. Nobody even remembers him anymore. Where is President Rollins? Sooner or later, people are even beginning to forget about him. So this country must be alive.
Frankly speaking, Doctor,
nobody should think that he's superior over this country, not any president.
Doctor, frankly speaking,
this country belongs to the youth of Ghana, whether now or tomorrow or the next generation. It belongs to the people called Ghanaians. And at all times, people must respect the flag of Ghana, the sovereignty of Ghana, and respect that forefathers died for us to have freedom. So you cannot sell this country for peanuts. Our great-grandfathers died for us to have freedom.
Definitely.
And we have, you know how it is to live in Germany when you are working.
I know. It's not easy.
If Ghana was better and good, would all of you be in Germany?
No. We won't be here. We won't be here. No.
So if we are here trying to build a country where all of you will be proud of, we will not allow any foreigner to come here and misbehave.
Mr. Hassan, you said something you said something that whatever this Igbo king tries to do, you will be ready for him boot for boot. You see what is going on, even the demonstration is being sabotaged. This is a clear sabotage. This is not coincidence. This man is showing this man is showing to Ghana.
So I am telling them that they should go again and have a discussion with the police and then do the demonstration here in Accra.
All right.
In Kumasi anymore.
Okay.
Let's see what they will say then.
Okay. Since the government is trying to show everything that he is in support of this Igbo king, because it's not coincident that the president is in Asante region and his presence is supposed to avoid this demonstration. It is telling Ghanaians how powerful this Igbo king and how influential he is to our government. Showing such potency, do you think, as you said, you will meet him for boot? Do you think you can fight him?
No government can back him or make him powerful. I will reduce him to size.
Are you sure you can do that, Mr. Hassan? The youths are now, at your back.
Do you know where he slept 2 days ago?
No, I do not.
Even the police and the police inspector, when they called him and they were telling him that, oh, have you heard about the Kibo cheese? He said he doesn't even know.
Really?
He's not aware.
I am really sure.
Of the government. Look, the power resides with the people, not with government. Government gets its power from the people, not the opposite. So if the people decide to do something, no government can stop them.
All right, Mr. Hassan, let's go back to the demonstration issue. Currently, there is a date, official date out there. That is the dates were two. That is 19th and 28th, and we learned that the Accra 19th was not official. It was a fake flyer. The official one was 19th in Kumasi. So there is this organization called, that is the Tree Organization, a certain organization in Accra. They came together with Ghana Youth to form a demonstration in Accra on the 28th, coming 28th, Saturday. Currently, the current government is trying to tell Ghanaians, showing Ghanaians, not coincidentally, that this man has dined with them before on cameras, and even the attitude shows. But why do you think that even the previous government is also quiet on this issue?
I don't know. I really think that all of them have something to do with him. I think that most of them have dined with the man. Are you getting what I'm saying? And for me, if they joke with me, that's all I can say. If they joke with me, we'll have it face to face. All
right. So have you attempted to engage any government official or other political leaders on this issue? It seems you are fighting alone. Have you engaged?
I don't need that. I don't need that. I don't need their intervention or their support. I don't need anybody's support or intervention. What I need is that writing must be done. Ghana, we do wrong things and we see it to be normal. So if you follow them, you will not do anything. If you tell somebody, they will discourage you. You understand?
Definitely.
Whatever they want to do, they will tell you, oh, it's okay, don't mind him, they forget him, he doesn't have land, he's only lying. So if somebody of this caliber can lie out there, what else can he say?
I see.
What else are we going to agree to? If he lies like this, what else are we going to agree to?
Definitely. That is very intelligent.
My brother, we are going to deal with it. All right. I have other people calling my phone. I need to attend.
Can I ask you a last question, Mr. Hassan?
Go ahead.
The youth seems to be rallying behind you currently. What is your message to the youth?
My main thing is that this is the time for Ghanaian youth to protect their own. Do not wait for greedy politicians thinking that they are fighting for your interest. They are never fighting for your interest. They are fighting for their own interest. So all Ghanaians should always come out to speak for themselves and fight for their country and for their land called Ghana. They should not wait for any group of people or any group of politicians or any group of corrupt people to incite them and ask them not to do what is right. When something is going wrong, we all must call it wrong and correct it. Let's take Ghana into our own hands and build our country. Ghana first, Ghanaians first. This is my stand.
Thank you very much. This is what Mr. Hassan is saying. Or say so much boot for boot or the show boot for boot. And when he had the government, said the government may in support or not and son will take a decision. And he also said that baby and same did Bruno. Me myself, I was shocked to hear that the 19th demonstration at Airbus. What she said, President was Asante region, Mahama or Asante region CCA, it didn't mean demonstration. And why? It's 70 sas here, 50 basis abria 70 sas. One can once a Mahama. Maybe what go with the king or your politics. Maybe they don't grant a manka, be a bibini, that you be a meku, minuamoko, me fire MP before they be as me by. What the assembly say? It mean to me come on to say, a dear president, a young quasiasem, Mahama. Who have any more? I say, Adia Wee, a young quasiasem. What I say, Jimmy, to my moon. A dear Pahana Papa, dear Mamo. You grab any who videos, but I mean to me fire Mahama. Listen, because a bit me I ask them. You who videos of you sitting with him and co. Ebi I make us say, for peace in the Adnan and call for my muntina, which I need to name person fire. But I dear president, we young quasiasem. Because of you, in the 19th demonstration in Timmy Maso. All of a sudden, what are you doing in Asante region? You are there to give them hope for them to forget about the most important issue. Enti crofom market no afi wo su besi. So ame no four tire no mu be change na in the 2-3 tire. And won't come wasem. But that the basic things I nkete wo kumase no ana currently wo dey share omobo. Se na bi omwure be fi na ewia kasa 19th na amaso. E die be ntia police poni gina dodo no wo se omo kono mo eco give protection because of that. Ye nya amanfo man board demonstration no ho bai. What are you talking about? E die na wo ka president, e die na wo ka. E die na wo pese wo ka che Ghana for. E die na wo pese wo ka che Ghana for. Wo bu Ghana for san. Mr. Mahama Ubu Ghana for say, it do respect Ghanaians there. It do bu Ghana for say Ghana for ye wade share ya to abama say bedi animu. Ubu ye. Enya fe 19th na beba so say president so o asante rɛgion ti emma so ensia. Ene ni refi say Accra de ne baso life. Accra de no baso life e wa Accra. 28th e baso. Who cancel the 19th I won cancel her. And ye be say within that date, ubedrum crying so near who some power shedda. Mr. Mahama said 20 seats in yet me power cry. So what's about credit because of that in it, there is going to be lack of security. It means I can cry. That it means oh shedda can you know ye no mean some aguyemu. And you think that way a nice as government, somebody who have the history of trafficking kids into the country for prostitution. Wobia kansem we Chieftaincy Act 2008 no a disrespecting no yen president born ho by president protecting no and no ka menu NEC ni bibu ofu say ade nti na ken o ka ho asem wagimi ompe no kra wo man. This is sad issue. Nipa na beji yekro wakan intentions was the video no year 2013 no kra no omo evil plans ni ade nyina to create a kingdom no enyamba so because they lost that hope, they lost that intention. Babino can say, Uko have Gossip 24 Avenue, Minia Clement, I will prove at 2018, Papa is a candy or Kayenibio. And so why are you guys defending this man? At the end, why am I to the extent say, Muntimi and Ghana youth, no bagger warrior, no bagger warrior, ye quackra. Ye ko Accra. And then what I say, a 3 Empire, any Ghana youth, Kambomu, now on the 26th, one why demonstration to treaty, demonstration dosso, Accra, obedient me stop yet, and ye bay. It is always support to be at the numbers you see on your screen, obey me to support, and so afaho. Me grab your car, Menkono, obi frame 1 second. Other than Sassina or Hennes one toy, and Yen Saran Koto. Yan Quanienti, then a number catches so muntimin Toma, Yen Saran Koto. Asema nipa ne kan yedo no obi ana oseke no ni bibi yen create a GoFundMe account ni yen pesi kangum ewo ho sika ne do si etimi to 50 acres ni nyina yen ko kanche nananom se ye beto ne ehwesa nananom be kase omo nton ma ya na ebu so mo reason ne sen. This man pushed me kopem say me create GoFundMe me create am de nkene se no an otwa ne de kakra to many 50 something otwa to music be more who they wrote, or they might be 3 days ago, as I say. Me more who they wrote grass a Ghana for us, young way same found because and pedifoni the age me. But in some normal cost switch, let's say, Mupese will play with the minds of the people. Details I mean, say, come with Chikra Afro, we see Bibia. Ghana, and ya Tomio. Minoka say, 500 acres, Sibu, baby, and no one some Afro. And he said, look at what the president is doing. And no one some crime in detail 500 acres be wo baby o. Ada na mo ton Ghana ni na. Any bra bay ni. O ma ton Ghana ni na wie. O ko kan obi say wo ye MPP ani se. And why would him say aton o ma ye wie nti wo support to two parties eye. Na me party kura me fa ya no. E de na ekoso awre ho sa. Ade na ekoso ye ba koto asase no GoFundMe account ni akreti fa wo de fam wo ho fa fam wo ho ne ehesi ebenya enough money edi ba koto asase ya ye kwa ye pese etie die nana no pese o mka kire so o mbeto ama ya na o monton asase ne pote na house land na mo si e gift o se monton yo se manton ye be find sa information wo lands commission and we will come there to purchase the land and we will see what anana no meka kire say asase pote we enton mamo. The last time I'm forward this year back wa free Chrome honum oduama. Oni maybe ansasne den to otimi kire osa sasne da ha ne ha emfi hintin sasne grade yanko lands commission kure ni maybe ko sansasna ne ba koto. GoFundMe account. We need to purchase these lands back. We want to test them and see. Ubetimi do the afa. When it's seat, Accra demonstration no air basso life. No bagger warrior chief executive. Obi any wo betimi stop it. 20 seats. Accra treaty. Share this video copy say the whole Ghana be hu san kwase asem ya wo mudie. Political parties are not important that on mine in the future. If we vote for them to come and govern, no mo ba no so muntimi governor, what happens? Yet to abaye dey. It also better because we are in this ni. Mutu. What is the president doing at this current situation? 2 days to demonstration. 2 days to demonstration. You are in Asante region. And the message is because you are there, we cannot do the demonstration. What nonsense is this? What nonsense is this? In fact, what nonsense is this? The demonstration ebe baso. Binyanum NDC for mo frɛ. Obetimi fro second. Ade ekosui. And fire mahamansa. Yenim say Isa papa who boom but get enough evidence answer. And when I pay even a 3-year-old kid ever catch us say what is the president doing there? So what dogana and pa and I would tell me any information said demonstration be baso into presence no into demonstration into me maswa. Then it means you become aware of the situation. The security that's not security I catch so. It is all dogana and pa go back to Accra. Whatever you're going to do in Kumasi, stop it. Name so odoye. Na message name momra say president, because of the demonstration at YouTube in Intino, Onyantina Kumasi will come back to Accra. But if you're able to stay in Kumasi till 19th Nibetemu, then it means this is scary. This is a real chronobo. Where your physical chronobo na mahama person wogana. Where you dada, where you contemplate, where you are wholesome. Say president bet me I say. So was all Ghana Mayampa, this a working issue, a breaching the laws in the Chieftaincy Act 2008, you know. Uncle back to Accra, names Obuya Nananum, because Nananum were Ghana already. Uncle back, now on your video, and now on fan a spokesperson Phyllis for so quite so country and say, oh, no, there was Santa Region. But by a security report to him, say because of him, 19th demonstration to me, Maso, and dog Ghana to come back to Accra, you to know demonstration. Names of Mahama Dogana. We a nonsense. 20 seats Accra demonstration a baso physical. 20 seat Accra demonstration a baso physical. 20 seat Accra demonstration may say a baso physical. Obi frɛ also 500 t-shirt to bet me their support to demonstration. Ambulance are behind, you know, for health reasons. You go ha, wonantia we enim kakra wa bro bete so ambulance no ye mfa free. If the government is going to provide one, fine, that would be good. But since ya bina say we cannot trust the government. It was a higher be. Even if it's from a private hospital plus 2-3 nurses for the whole day, we have to hire and pay them. For these reasons, in TB here support for the 20 seat demonstration. It will support wa fafa a year finance officer do Mr. Boatin fafa ne so mobile money no na da ho ne food dem no na da fafa so na ye hwɛ die betimi aye aboa oman Ghana so oman ne de wakoma so pa Mr. President get off Asante region before 19th. Get off before 19th. And even if you decide to still stay in Asante region, ye behwe sabe piem Accra ne hu se wait ye ni da ho pa na wa sheda ana oye. 3 Empire and Ghana Youth on the 26th of July, Saturday, 9 o'clock in the morning, Obra Sports, I circle Obra Sports, and you need tiemu sa, tiemu, tiaso, tiemu, doso, sako piemu, ewo Independence Square. When you are some president, ewa Santa Virgin demonstration into me maso. When you are some ebobo eba Hassan Ayariga, was on your becos with tiaso, or no found one in the abine be your becos wako, I'm a Ghana youth. When you are some arbitrary currently, would you kid you in the wedding cry? Case of any updates in somewhere cost Ghana, no, your babo no ha and ye de ebesomo bibi foforo koso sema mate ano de yesi akwabu okum nipa be de ho Nigeria anka obebu awura Ghana ana Ghana immigration ache no ama Nigeria fo se nipa no amo se wo ye criminal no okunkum nipa iboni no jache no wo ye border so di mumra me fama de ne yesi ebefa akwa yi ene enkwasa keka wo de toto abonten no sem no nto asomu ye de that story ni nyina enso beba ababesomo abrantie bi ono nso oye ono an fuel e wo Ghana na kwan abrantie ne fa so ye fuel. It will blow your mind. Or also, they don't update all the stories. I appeal in your family. Ghana, one you been here. Do not forget, catch you unya. The president to say 19th, see in the BC. Yakini, you better show on this video, my crowd.
K1, oh boy, Juma, we did the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media, no style of blogging, fantastic. So now see commentary, news in the bar. So now see commentary for home, so good. Keep on going.
And the style also the other tribe aflo unyi sorted India temnie. That's how they can. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know say I commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And maybe I also train free but it's all good. Oh yeah, the K1ng Ghana, K1ng will try pa.